All right, today we're gonna bring a headlamp. This one has two LED lights, a headlight, and then the which is a ribbon LED. If you guys can see that. Now this is rechargeable. It comes with its own extendable cord here. If you guys can see that, this goes for any kind of head size or helmet. If you're construction, this is perfect. It wraps around it, very simple. Now, just to let you guys know, it's very simple to actually turn on and turn off. So we're gonna turn it on here. This one, I'm gonna face it down right now because I don't want you to see too bright. So this is the headlamp, if you guys see, and then we're gonna do the strip. All right. This one I use it a lot. So if you're walking at night and you want to see your path, this is perfect. If you want to concentrate on certain areas, if you're a mechanic or going underground somewhere dark, this is perfect. These lights, both of them, illuminate very bright around the area, and they last for many hours. So this is something that is handy for construction or any outdoors, or if you're working in night or in a dark environment.
Ahí estás bien. Alrighty, we're all in.